This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning, friends. Welcome to GoOnlineTrainings.com. Yesterday, we got one interview question from my friend. Let me tell you the question first. There is having a product table. So, product number is available. And for each and every product, there is a version number is available. Each version, the amount for the product is given clearly. For example, when you take 10 is having version number 1, the amount for the product is 100 rupees. For the same product in version number 200 is 120. For the same product, the in the version number 3, the cost is 0. Like that, we have a product called 20. We have 4 versions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 45, 0, 55, 78. We have version the product number 30, version number 1, 2, and the amount is 120 and 0. Okay, so this is the data they have. Now the question they have asked in the interview is that get the products which are having amount as 0 for the highest version. Okay, so when you see the data, you have the amount as 0, but they need to get the amount 0 only for the highest version. When you see the data here, so for the product number 10, the highest version is 2, or highest version is called 3. So if the highest version is 3 for the given product, then check, verify the amount is 0 or not. If it is 0, then you can bring it. So what all they need? They need the product number and the version, the highest version number, and that will equivalent to 0. When you take the 20 is having 4 versions, but it is having a second version as 0, but the highest version is 4 here. For the highest version, we need to have 0. So the second product should not get listed, because they're saying what is the highest version for the given product, and the highest version you need to link it out, and if it is 0, then bring it out. For the product number 30, the highest version is 2, and that is 0. The final output would be I have to get 10, 3, 0, and 30 to 0, where the highest version where the amount equals to 0 for each and every product. So this is what is the query that they had given. So what I have done, I have created a table called product info table, product number, version number. I had inserted lot much more data. So it is version number 1, the amount is 100, version number 2, amount is 120, version number 3, 0, version number 4, the amount is 0, and product number 20, version number 2, 45, version number 2, 0, something like this. Here highest number is version number is 4, 0. Here highest number is 4, or you may have you can include, okay, version number 5, okay, and the amount you can have any other things also, okay, but in between we have 0, but highest number we should have 0. So we need to get highest number. If it is 0, we have to bring it. Here we are having two things. For the 30, this is 0. Here we are having, highest number is, you know, 3 and 40 products. So here you don't have any zeros. Here you have only one, that is highest number. So here you have something like this. Now, when you see the data, I should get, when you read the output, I should get a 10, and 20 should not come, 30 yes, and 40 you should get it, 50 not, 60 you should get it, 70 you should be able to get it. Let me delete the existing data on this table. Let me insert this data. Okay, now I should be able to write a query, and where you should be able to get based on these conditions. Okay, let me write this query and tell you the answer. So I have the 10, where the highest number it has to get, it is giving you version number is 40, amount is 0, perfectly fine. For the 20, the highest number is 5, but it is not 0, it is not bringing here. 30, highest number is 3, highest number is 2, and that is there, right? For the, it is giving you 40, the highest number is 30. For 60, highest number is only 1, that you should be able to get it. So for the 70, the highest number is this, that you're able to get. So whatever you have it, that you should be able to get it, is the highest numbers, and it is 0. So the logic here would be, what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to write a query with the help of a ranking function. What I have done is that, let me explain the logic. As row number, now when you execute it, let me execute this. So how the things are going to be working, I'm going to be getting all the product numbers and the version number as it is. I have applied a partition by product number. I have applied a rank function over partition by product number, order by version number descending. For example, I take the data. For example, I have a product number 10, version number 1, I have some data called 76. I have product number 1, the version number 2, that is 0. Okay, this is partitioned by this one. Partition by, when I say product number, so it is taking all the entries. For example, you may have 20 here, version number is 23. You have that, 2, the version number is again something else, and at 20, the version number is 0, again 20, the version number is, let us say, 4, and 55, and I have a 10, version number is 3, let us put 0, something like this. So when I say partition by 0, partition by product number, what happens is that all the product which are having the same numbers will get grouped together. So this is the groupings. Two groupings would happen. Okay. Based on all the product numbers will be grouped into one. This is what is called partition by. Okay. Let me copy this query and let me explain what we are going to be doing it here in this query. So ranking over by partition product. So all the data grouped together. Then later what I'm trying to do, order by version number descending. So I take this data, I'm grouping it. That is what is called partition by is going to be doing. But within this is the version number. Version number, I'm going to be arranging them in the highest order because descending is the highest order. So this data is going to be, this is the first row. This is the second row. It will come here. This is the third row. It is going to be coming here. Okay. Now the next one, what I'm trying to do. So this is the first row. This row will go down. This row will go down, and this row will go down. So this is how the data is going to be organized, and ranking numbers is going to be given starting from 1 and 2 and 3. Okay. The ranking numbers we should be able to get it if the based on the amount. Okay, so you may get like this. If the, because I have sorted the data based on version number, highest rank will get this one, the second rank is second, like that. You will be able to get highest rank is 4 here. It's going to be given first rank, second rank, and the third rank. Ranking function is going to be sorting the data based on the something, and later is going to be assigning the rankings starting from 1 2 3, something like that. You need to understand. Okay, so we got the data. For example, you may have one more product called 30, version number is, let us say, 2 and 35, and 30 version number is 1, let us say amount is 0. I have like that 3. But what I need here is that where the ranking number is 1, ranking number is 1 means this is the highest rank that you should be able to guarantee. Highest number is this. So then what I do, I'm getting select star from this table. You have to use this as a derived table where I have to get, this is the ranking number. So I have given you the ranking number alias as row number, right? You have to say where ranking number equals to 1. Rank number equals to 1 is highest, the product. And you have to say amount is equivalent to 0. That means wherever there is a 0 and wherever there is 1, so this row is going to come and this row is not going to come because highest number, the version number, The rank number is 1, but the condition, the amount is not 0. So this data you're not going to get it. So this data you're also not going to get it. So this is the final thing that you need to apply. Clear? You have to partition the product number, and after that you have to say order by version number descending. Then you have to declare as a derivative table. So later what you're going to be doing, you have to check highest number means the ranking number 1, where the rank number equals to 1 and amount has to be 0. So you should be able to get this data only. So like that you should be able to get all these things. You're able to get it with the help of this query. So here you're only assigning the data. When you see it, I have product number 20. The data is got organized from smallest highest to the smallest, and highest version number is getting 1. So when rank number is 1 and the amount is 0, I have to get this. So when you take this, it is going to be having 5 rows. It is organized from highest to the smallest version numbers. So highest number version number will get rank number 1. So I need to get to 1. So where rank number is 1 and amount equals to 0, that data I should be able to get it. So when you execute this query, it is going to be giving you whatever you wanted to have. When you check with the data, it is perfectly fine. Highest number is 4, that is 0. Highest number you have 5, but that is not 0. Highest number is 2, that is 0, that is there. And highest number is 40, that is 0. And highest number is the version number is 3. Here that is nothing is there, so 50 is not there. 60, yes, you have only one row that you should be able to get it. So here the highest number is this, you should be able to get it. So according to this data, this query is fantastically working. So this is the query, you should be able to get it. So the logic here is that you have to apply partition by product number, order by version number in descending order. If you put ascending order, then it will be issue. Then you need to use them as a derivative table and give some alias, and where rank number equals to 1, that is highest version you will get it, and amount equals to 0. So this is the answer for the query that you have to work on. Thank you guys.